Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to unfollow in Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to unfollow in Clubhouse. Maybe because you were following somebody that you really liked, but now they have started doing something different, so now you want to unfollow them. Or maybe you have accidentally followed somebody, so now you want to unfollow them, or there were some people that you were friends now but you just want to unfollow them for any of your personal reason. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can unfollow anybody in Clubhouse. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. You will also this option, which is the icon of the app, and few options at the top and bottom as well. And in the middle of the screen, you will see different rooms that you could join, listen to the conversation, and can enjoy it. Other than to room options, we have another option here. Once you tap on it, you will get into the explore section, and here you can get into the house section, where if you have joined any of the houses, these will appear here. Now, if you want to unfollow someone, for that you have to go to your profile. Just simply click here. It will just take a while, and after that, you will see the interface of your profile. So this is how your profile page looks. You could see your profile icon, your name, and different options as well. So here we have this option which says following. So whatever person you're following, their name will appear here, and with the help of that option, you can unfollow them. So here I have that one person that I'm following. So we will see how we could unfollow it. As you can see here, we have this option following. So once I tap onto that option, it will just take a while, and after that, that account will get unfollowed by my account. That means this person has been unfollowed by me, and now that person I wanted to unfollow has been unfollowed. So that's how you could also do it. I'm going back again into the profile, and there you will see the following is 0. That means we have successfully unfollowed that person. So likewise, you can unfollow the people that you want to unfollow. You can unfollow more than one person. Like, you can follow as much as people as you would like to. There's no limitation to it. Whatever person you doesn't like or you think that it shouldn't be in your following list, you can unfollow them. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can unfollow someone on Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.